Hey everyone, welcome to 316 DIY. Today we will be showing you how we did our fireplace makeover. First, we removed the trim that was around the brick. Then slowly we started removing the brick that was against the wall. Then we removed the remaining of the trim from the top section of the wall. We are going to install shiplap from top to bottom. So first we need to measure and to see how wide we want it to be. Then using a trim gun, we installed it. We're going to put concrete on top of the bottom brick to cover it. We made a concrete casing and left 1/2 inch separation from the brick. Using a finishing trowel, we spread the concrete and made it as even and smooth as possible. We let it dry overnight. On top of the concrete, we added a charcoal non-sanded grout to give it a dark finish. To cover the gaps from the sides of the shiplap, we put a piece of wood. We used a trim gun to nail it. Then we put a metal brackets and a piece of wood on top of the bracket to install the mantle. To seal all the joints and seams, we use a caulking gun. After the caulking is dried, we painted it white, all the shiplap, and the mantle we painted it black. This is how our fireplace looks after we finish. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to 316 DIY. Also, follow us on Instagram. Thank you.